So interesting. This is like tomato cages, and then straw, and then they put the potatoes inside it. So now the potatoes are all growing out it. And then after it's done, when they're dead, then they'll open the straw up, and voila, there'll be a whole thing of potatoes.
That's a cool idea.
It's awesome.
Plants are in here. They look like several plants.
No?
There's soil in there. See? There's soil. I think there's soil. Feel that?
Oh yeah. Wait.
What's wet?
It could just be. Yeah, they put soil in it.
Soil surrounded by hay. And about 18 inches high, and you could grow it above ground. About 2 feet
That is
high.
so cool.
Wow. Wow. With a wire cage.
Love it. Love it. We'll do that.
For those
sometime.
with city soil.
I think we should do that
Well,
with the ones that we have in the
field.
compost.
But I did a good old-fashioned traditional one. They're growing in the earth.
Okay. That's the end of my video.